everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D photos with a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and click a new project. And then after this, you can click on the photos at the top. And then now you can add the photo that you want to edit. I wanna add okay, please waiting. I wanna add this photo, so you just click on it, and after this you can click add at the bottom. Now if you wanna add a 3D photos effect, you just click on the clip or your photo, and after this you can click on the style, and now you can swipe until you can see 3D. In here you can see two options, a 3D effect. You can choose a 3D zoom pro or you can choose a 3D zoom effect. Now I wanna try to add a 3D zoom pro, so you just click on it and please waiting. And after this you can click a check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add a 3D zoom effect with CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.